How to create a landing page in WordPress 2023 quick and easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be discussing on how we're going to create a landing page in our WordPress website or application in the easiest, most simplest way possible. Okay, and it's going to be really easy. We're going to be using two ways. Okay, either you can use some external plugin. Okay, and the plugins can be accessed from this place over here, but that is obviously going to be a paid plugin. Or what you can do is you can use any type of basic dashboard thing or a basic dashboard editor that WordPress provides you from itself. So we're going to be using both those ways. So the first thing that you're going to do is obviously you're going to want to make sure that when it comes to creating a landing page for your WordPress or on your WordPress, you are going to want to go with the business plan. Okay, and the business plan is something, wait, I'm just going to come here to show you. To choose your domain, you're going to need a business plan. And to get the business plan, you're going to need to pay a separate amount. But on the business plan, your domain is going to be free for the first year, which is pretty incredible. So the annual paid plans, we're going to pay it all for you. These are the plans. So there's personal, premium, business, WooCommerce, or WordPress Enterprise. Okay. So just go with any of these. Again, if you want the plugins, you are going to need the business plan. Without the business plan, it's not accessible. And I would not recommend you going without the business plan. So once you've gotten the business plan, what you're going to do from there is we're going to head into plugins and we're going to discuss the best landing page creators when it comes to plugins. Okay. So you're going to come over to plugins. And once you're into plugins, you're going to come here and, just go ahead and write a landing page. And once you write landing page and plugins, it's going to give you all the different landing page builders. Now, as you can see over here, all these different types of landing page builders with pretty good ratings. And you can use these, but in my opinion, the best page builder for WordPress, like this is not only a landing page builder, but it's a proper page editor or a website builder, is Elementor. Elementor, as you can see, is widely used and it is literally only made for WordPress, and it is one of the best, if not the best, WordPress editor out there. So I would definitely recommend you to go ahead, install this, and just use its really great mechanics and user interface to basically create yourself a very amazing looking landing page. Okay, and it's really easy if you've used things like Wix or maybe GoDaddy's website editor. This is going to be a piece of cake for you, trust me. But yeah, moving on, this is obviously the paid approach. Like if you want to pay them, this is the paid approach. If you want to go with the free approach, you're first of all going to come to My Home. You're going to make sure everything is set it up, and then you're going to come over to Appearance. Now over here you can see all of your WordPress themes, okay? And in these WordPress themes, there's a lot to use, there's a lot to mess around with. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go with any theme that looks good or a theme that will make more sense for you. Or you can even come up here in the themes and you can search up landing page related themes. Okay, you can write landing, and as you can see, it gives you these different landing pages. So there's a lot of free ones as well. Like let's say there's this one. Now once you go with this, you're going to open it up, and once we open it up, basically you can start editing it. Now the fun thing about using WordPress's free themes is that they're already fully accessed with all the different features that a great website can bring you. And this is what it looks like. And it's a pretty good landing page, isn't it? Because what a landing page is, it's a standalone page that promotes something about yourself or something like that. So yeah, this is exactly what we're going to do. So I'm going to click on activate this design, and it activates the design into our editor. And you can also choose the default styles. Now these are the premium styles that you can choose from. I'm going to go with the default style, and as we can see, the design is activated. So I'm going to go ahead and click on customize site. And once you click on customize site, it opens the WordPress basic, the stock website editor. So once it opens the stock website editor, from there, it's really fun to start editing things. Trust me, it's an absolute piece of cake and you are going to enjoy it a lot. So this is your basic stock editor, right? And in the stock editor, what you are going to do is set things according to whatever you want. Now, to start things off, here we go. So this is our basic design. Now, first of all, you're going to add things according to yourself. So, firstly, you're going to add navigations. Now, if it's a landing page, then obviously you don't need the cart page, checkout page things. So you can remove these, but it depends on you. If you want them, you can keep them in. So to edit your navigation system, you can click on the pen icon over here. And as you can see, you can add more navigations in this, add different URLs, or you can even add your site logo. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. It's really fun. It's really diverse to use these functions for yourself. So yeah, just use them to their full potential. Once you do that, I'm just gonna come back here to the main editor. I'm gonna come back here, and once you go out of the editor, it brings you to styles. Okay, now styles are basically, again, the variations that you can use. Now these are obviously the premium styles that I would not prefer using. I'm just going to go with the default one, stay with this. Now, you're probably wondering, how are we going to, mess around with these things? How are we going to mess around with the text and all? You're just going to click on this website, okay? And it brings you to this whole style widget. So let's say we don't want to add text over here. We want to add an actual logo. So to add a logo, you're going to click on this plus section over here. Once you click on the plus section, you're going to go with blocks. And once you go with blocks, you can go down in media, go to image. You're going to click on upload image. Okay, and once you click on upload, it brings you here. So what we can do over here is you can choose an image that you want to, reenact as your store's image. So I'm going to add this, there's this Nike swoosh that I had. You can obviously change the color, you can edit it, you can even duotone it if you want to. But yeah, you get the whole point. Really simple, really easy stuff to, basically mess around with. Now, once your header is certified, you're going to go down here. This is where you're going to add the necessary information for your landing page's basic divisions. So let's say I want to make a landing page for my new shoe store or my new IT store. So new IT stock has arrived. Okay, we're just gonna add that. Now, once you write these things, then you can obviously add a different mockup down here. And then this button over here, which is your get started button, this, when people click on this, or you can write text over it, because obviously I have added, IT stocks, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and write here. Okay, I'm gonna write take me there. Okay, we're just gonna add that. So there we go. So you can obviously hyperlink this to whatever page you want to take yourself to. So let's say if some user was to click on this, they're going to be linked to the actual page that you want this landing page to be linked to. So you can add a hyperlink right beside it. And just type the page URL or search the actual page. That's how you can hyperlink it. And this is the basic workings of a landing page. Just choose a nice template and start editing around with it. Then obviously, as I said, just click on the widget you want to add things to and just mess around with it. And if you want to add different blocks for yourself, click on the plus sign. You get different blocks of media and different blocks of features that you can add, or there's even different patterns that are custom templates that WordPress have already added for you. So, there's about pages, banner pages, blog posts, call to actions. Call to actions are basically, these things over here. So, you can add different call to actions in your page as well. Like, let's say I'm going to add this call to action over here, and it's going to get adjusted under this. So, there's your call to action that you can use on your actual landing page. So yeah, that is basically how you're going to create a landing page in WordPress in 2023 in the easiest, most simplest way possible. Now, if you enjoyed that video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Till then, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.